forgive myself. I forgive all. I refuse to live my life with a heavy heart. So we're transferring some plants today, and for the new moon energy, we're planting a seed. We're planting good intentions. We're planting prosperity. We're planting growth. We're planting abundance. We're planting things that's aligned with our path, exceedingly abundantly above all things that we could ever imagine for our journey. Ashe. Give thanks and gratitude. You all. Let's go get the plants so we can transfer. Let me take these two over there. In life is a sacred energy. You want it to be everything that you do a sacred energy exchange. Like willing sacred energy exchange, and not anybody like harvesting your energy or you. This is ours. This is our and community plants. These are community plants.